Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. We have already started the chapter 3, playing with numbers. So we saw what are factors and multiples of a number. We'll just have a quick recap of the concepts of multiples and factors. So a multiple is the product that we get when we multiply one whole number by another whole number. For example, if you multiply 2 by 8, you get the product 16. It is the same as multiplying 8 by 2. 2 into 8 equal to 16 as well as 8 into 2 equal to 16. So you can say 16 is a multiple of both 2 and 8. Now in this example, 6 into 5 equal to 30. It is the same as 5 into 6. Both gives the same product 30. So you can say 30 is a multiple of both 6 and 5. Now we also learned about factors. A factor is a number that can divide a given number without any remainder. So since factors of a number can divide it completely without any remainder, you can say the factors of a number will be the exact divisors of that given number. See this example, 1 into 6 equal to 6. See, you can obtain 6 in different ways. You can multiply 1 and 6 or you can multiply 2 and 3. So 6 is a multiple of 1, 6, 2 and 3. Or you can say 6 can be completely divided by 1 to get 6. 6 can be completely divided by 6 to get 1. 6 can be completely divided by 2 to get 3 and it can be completely divided by 3 to get 2. There are no remainders. These numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6 are exact divisors of the number 6. These are the factors of number 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we will see some facts about factors and multiples of numbers. Let's see the first fact. 1 is a factor of every number. We have learned that you multiply any number by 1, you get that number itself as the product. For example, you can get the number 5 by multiplying 1 by 5 or 5 by 1. So, you can completely divide 5 by the number 1. There won't be any remainder. So, you can say 1 will be a factor of every number. Let it be 100 or 1000 or 2000, 3000, let it be any number. You can completely divide that given number by 1 without any remainder and hence 1 is a factor of every number. Now the second fact, every number is a factor of itself. We have learned you can divide a number by itself and you get the result as 1. You can completely divide any number by that number itself without any remainder. So, for example, 15 into 1 equal to 15. So, if you divide 15 by this 15 itself, we can completely divide it to get the result 1. No remainder. So, let's say every number is a factor. So, what do you call a number that can divide a given number completely? It's called an exact divisor or a factor. Now, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. So, if you consider the factors of number 6, the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. You see the smallest factor is the number 1 and the greatest factor is that number itself, the number 6. All the factors will be less than or equal to 6. This is the case with every other whole number. The factors of a whole number will be equal to or less than that given number itself. So, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. The number of factors of a given number is finite. See, here you can see the factors of 8. So, these are the numbers which can divide the number 8 completely, or these are the numbers which you can multiply to obtain the number 8. Are there any more numbers which can divide 8 completely? No. These are the only numbers which are exact divisors of number 8. So, you see the number of factors is limited or finite. So, this is applicable for all whole numbers. The number of factors of a given number is finite or limited. Now, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number. We have seen all numbers will have a factor which is equal to the number itself. So, if you consider the factors of 16, for example, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are its factors. You can see the number itself is 1 among the factors. You can completely divide 16 by factors. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Here you can see the multiples of 2 are given. So, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Can you say which is the last or the greatest multiple of 2? Can we say that? Can we find it out? No. Why? Multiples of a number are the products that we get when you multiply it with another number. And can we say which is the greatest whole number? No. It can be any number. You can multiply a given number by any number to get a multiple. So, we cannot find a greatest multiple for any given number. So, you can say all the multiples of a given number will be either equal to or greater than that given number. So, I hope this is clear to you. Let's see the next fact. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. See the set of whole numbers. Is it a finite set? Is the set limited? Can we say which is the greatest number among whole numbers? No, it can be any number. For whichever number we consider, there will be a number greater than it. So, you can multiply a given number by any other number. 3 can be multiplied by 1 to get 3, multiplied by 2 to get 6, then it goes on like 9, 12, 15 and so on. We cannot find which is the greatest multiple of 3. So, it seems that the number of multiples possible for a number is unlimited or infinite. The number of factors for a number will be limited, but the number of multiples will be unlimited or infinite. Now, the next fact, every number is a multiple of itself. We know every number can be represented as the product of that given number and 1. For example, if you consider 7, 7 can be represented like 7 into 1, 29, 29 into 1. We can obtain any number by multiplying that number itself by 1. So, you see every number can be considered as a multiple of that number itself and 1. So, children, these were a few facts about factors and multiples of any given number. You have to go through this topic through pages 34 and 35 in your textbook. Then after this topic, you can see an exercise called try this. Just have a look at it and work it out in your notebook. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.